The Senate is holding its fourth public consultation on the proposed anti-political dynasty bill aimed at limiting the political power of only a few families across the country. Hannah T is live from Marilao, Bulacan with the latest. Hi, Hannah.
Yes, a group of metal workers in the Philippines is strongly urging government officials to back the anti-political dynasty bill as the Senate Committee on Electoral Reforms holds its fourth public consultation on the measure. Philippine Metal Workers Alliance Deputy Secretary General El Latinazo said incumbent officials should now take a clear stand, calling it high time to support the legislation, especially amid the ongoing flood control scandal that has once again exposed how power and resources can be concentrated within political families. That challenge was met by Senator Risa Ontiveros, who chairs the committee and is pushing a version of the bill that seeks to prohibit political dynasties up to the fourth degree of consanguinity. Earlier in the consultation, Marilao Bulacan Mayor Jem C. offered a more limited approach, saying the prohibition should extend only up to the second degree of consanguinity, as cousins of a certain official may be considered a different household. For her, simultaneous possessions within the same family should be barred, while successive terms may be considered depending on performance and the people's mandate. Meanwhile, Bulacan Vice Governor Alexis Castro expressed full support for the anti-political dynasty bill, saying ordinary but capable individuals are often discouraged from running for office because of well-entrenched political names. Castro pointed out that in his decade of public service, he has no relatives holding elective office. He also addressed speculation that his wife or child may run for office, saying that despite his influence and electoral viability in the province, this is not consistent with their values. According to Castro, if a politician is serious about genuine change, that commitment must begin with personal restraint and leading by example. My
Hannah, so far, has anyone opposed the push for an anti-political dynasty law, which many sectors have been clamoring for decades now?
Mhm. Mhm. So far, this is the fourth public consultation na kasi, no, but so far, no group has opposed the push for an anti-political dynasty bill. In fact, most of the speakers earlier today said na kailangang maipasa na ito, hopefully before June. And so far, ito na yung pangalawa sa huling public consultation ng Senate Committee on Electoral Reforms. Next week, they will be in Cagayan de Oro City. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you, Hannah T, joining us from Marilao, Bulacan.